Hello friends, welcome to my channel Network Kingdom. So this is our lecture 4 and today we will discuss how we can create user in Azure portal. Okay, so basically I would be covering Azure CLI part and Azure Powershell as well. So from here, let me show you portal first. Okay, this is our Azure Active Directory, or you can search from here as well. Okay, let's move to users. See, there are all existing users. Okay, so I can create new user, can give any name, say it total user. Okay, and after @ you can see DNS domain name. Okay, full name, portal, user. Okay, so there are two options: auto generate or let me create. So I would leave it with auto generate. Okay, let me copy this, and it is asking for groups. So at the moment I am not assigning any group, and block sign in, no, I do not want to block it. Job title, department, these are all options. Let's create it. Okay, never, all users. So you can see here user is created. Okay, so let me check it. I'm going to open one new private window. Okay, and let me move here. Here my password. Okay, and let's copy this URL and paste it here. See, it is asking for username. So this is our username. Paste it. Next. Now it would ask for password. Next. Copy this and paste here. Sign in. Okay. So now it is asking to change password. Okay. Let's change it. And sign in. You need to update what you are signing in, or your password has. We have seen that password too many times. Okay. I hope it will take. Okay. So guys, you can see that I got login. See here, it is my portal user. Okay, let's move to second part. Okay, so it is showing delete and modify as well. So if you want to check, you can click on edit, and from here you can change name. Okay, you can change to your title and all the details. Okay, let's move back, and if you want to delete it, just select and delete. Yes. Okay, see, it is deleted. Now let's move to other part, which is Azure CLI. Okay, let's clear my screen first. So first of all, if you are not aware about command, so what you will do, just type az and ad -h. Let's see. Okay, see, it is showing for manage Azure Active Directory users and user authentication, and from this command I can see the usernames. Okay, Azure AD, then type user, and if you want to check further syntax, just type -h. Azure AD, user update, user list, and see, it is showing you the creation details. So what I'll do here, I just copy, not bad. Okay, let's use this, paste it here. Okay, display name, so suppose I will be using CLI user. Okay, here I have to type my password, so let's use okay, and the password, then user principal name, Okay, so I'll use CLI user and then DNS name. Okay, so let's move to portal and click on any user. Sorry. Let's move to users, click on this one and see this. Copy, go back to Azure CLI. Okay, so I was using one notepad, just paste here. Okay, so this is our command. Okay, let's and paste here. Let's see. Okay, so what it says, the following arguments are required. Password. Okay, see, after CLI user. Let me correct it. Enter. What it says? Okay. Property password profile dot password is invalid. Oh, so I have to change my password. Okay. Let me change ABC at 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9. Enter. Okay, so my user is created, and if I want to verify, so there is a simple command, user show. What is it? ACAD user minus h. Okay, so it is asking for ID as well. See, we require one ID. Okay, or I can use this command, list command. So let's use list, and you can check it is showing all the users. And if I want to grab, I can use grab command and display name. So you can see here CLI user. Okay, so this is created by me using Azure CLI. Okay, so if you want to check some other options, let's see, user h. Okay, so if you want to let's check ID first. Grab ID. Okay, let's grab display name. Display name and ID. Why it is not taking? Grab. Display and ID. ID is valid keyboard, I guess. Okay, let's see the field name first. Where is that ID? Let's move. See, there is object ID. Okay, and okay, let's check. Display name and ID. No, it is not showing. Okay, minus h. Check ID. Okay, basically I'm looking to fetch the ID so that I can show you details related to that specific user. Okay, why it is not showing ID? Let's move to portal and let me refresh it. Okay, this is my user. And this is my ID. Let's check now. Show ID and paste. Enter. Okay, so guys, you can see now it is showing details to only that specific user. Okay, see, because I typed ID here, so it is just showing me CLI user details. Okay, so if I want to update some details, let me show you. Suppose I want to update AC AD user. Okay, update that ID. Enter. So what it is showing? It is showing the following arguments are required. Okay, basically I missed ID. See, now press enter. Okay, now let me show you. AZ user and list display name. Okay, so here is it. So I should have some command to delete it as well. Let me check what is the command. Let me check. Okay, delete. So AD is user delete and minus H, and it is asking for ID only. So if I type and paste ID, see, now it won't show my user. See, CLI user is deleted. So basically the point is it requires some practice. Okay, so if you will work more on Azure CLI, you will get many additional commands as well related to Azure creation, modification, updation, okay, deletion. So I believe this is all related to Azure CLI. Now let's move to Powershell. Okay, so suppose if you want to work on Azure CLI, Azure Powershell, and you are not aware about command, then what you will do? So all commands, creation command will start from new. So you can type new, extract, then AZ user, then extract. Let's see if it helps. No, there is no command. Get command. Let me check one more time. Get command. Okay, then we'll have to type new or AD. Should start from. Let's remove this. Let's see this. Okay, so it is showing many commands, and you can see here remove AD user and new AZ AD user. So basically we are going to create. Okay, so if I want to check the syntax of this specific commandlet, then what would be my approach here? So I check get help and then copy this command and paste here. Press enter. Okay, so guys, you can see it is showing complete help. Creates a new active directory user, and it is the syntax. Okay, and if you go down, they have given one description as well, related link, and if you want to check examples as well, see what is this? Get help and detailed. Let me use this one. Copy and paste. Enter. Okay, so now it is showing one example as well. So I am going to copy these details and paste in or notepad. Okay, so now first of all we'll create one. Okay, first of all we'll create one password this time. Okay, see here, plain text and force. So here I'll have to specify one password. Suppose ABC at 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8. It is my password. Okay, and I will be assigning this password to this string. Okay, and this is the command basically, and I'm giving here display name. So I'll use power user. Okay, and here I'll have to use my domain name. Okay, so I need this basically. Okay, let's move to this is and power user at DNS domain. Okay, then I'll have to define password, which I have already defined. And what is next? nickname. Okay, so here I will be giving my nickname like power user. Okay, what next? It is done. Okay, so let's implement this. Let's move to Powershell and paste here. See, and if you want to check what is the password, you can paste it here, but it won't show you because it is secured, because we have converted to secure string, so it won't show you password. See, okay, let's move to next step. Basically we have a specified password in one variable. Now let's copy this and paste. Okay, and you can see display name power user, nickname power user which I have specified, object type user, and principal name this one which I have specified here. Okay guys, so like this we can create a user with the help of PowerShell. Basically we can create scripts also if you want to create multiple users, so we do have option for a script as well, but that scripting part will not come under this course. So after completing this this lecture series, I will record some additional lectures like use of PowerScript, or how we create scripts to automate our task. So we will cover all these things. Okay, so user is created. Now next task is how we can check our created user. Okay, so basically one more thing I want to show you. Suppose see this one. If I do not specify mail nickname and I press enter here, see, it is asking for mail nickname because it is mandatory fit. So you will have to specify here, and if I give here A B C D and press enter, see, it says another object with the same value because this is already created. Okay, so now I want to check the created user. Get command and let's see, and if you want to check from portal you can check as well. Let me show you. See, power user. Okay, so basically it is created. Okay, let's move back here. So if I want to check all the users, then type get and user and expect. Let's see. Okay, so see, with the help of get as your ready user, paste. Oh, sorry, it has pasted the earlier command. Let me delete. This one, copy and paste. Press enter. So what it is saying? First I'll have to type connect as already. Connect as already. Let's copy and paste. Okay. Now I can check created user. See, power user which I have created just now. Let me clear my screen first. Let me show you one more time. Okay, so if I want to update some details, let me show you. Get a user, and if I want to check display name, the user, select display. And if I want to check ID as well, press enter. See, but it is not showing ID. What is the reason? Let me check object ID. Okay, see, it is showing me object ID and display name. Okay, so what next we can do? We can create or we can update as well. Let me show you that command. See, if I want to update AZ, because we are working for AZ user, so I can check like this. Okay, so it is showing me remove, so I can remove it and update. So if you want to check all the details related to that command you can use get help. Just copy, paste it, and detail. Asking for detail. No. What was the keyword? Okay, let me check this first. Okay, so it is detailed actually. See here. Okay, so help is available. Okay, so if you are not aware about the syntax, Portal will guide you. Okay, so I'm just copying this here and paste it. See, it is showing me example as well. If you want to update the display name, you can use this command. Let me show you. Okay, let me paste it here. Sorry. Copy, and paste. So in my case, let me fetch object ID here. See, it is the object ID. So let's move. Copy first. It starts from AB66. Paste here. Okay, and if I want to update display name, I can type here latest. Okay, just copy and paste. See, it got updated. Display name latest, and earlier it was display name power user. Okay, and if you want to delete it, let me show you that command as well. See, remove user. Same concept. If you want to check details, you can type here remove, and it will guide you. Remove 80 user. See, there is the example. This one. Okay, so you just need object ID. So let me copy this, paste here, and object ID. See, I have pasted here. So I'll copy from Notepad and paste. Enter. It is asking. Okay, so you can type Y or default is yes. Press enter. So now it should be deleted. Let me type that command. Enter. See, power user is deleted. So guys, this is all. Actually, already 30 minutes completed. So I hope it would help you. Please subscribe this channel so that you will be notified for the upcoming lectures. Thanks for watching. Bye.